All right, special thanks to my friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send me their new PD 30-watt USB-C charger. So nothing on the top, the side just has that logo, nothing on the bottom, nothing on that side at all. And the back gives you the specifications and the features, which this has an AC input, which features a 30-watt for phones and tablets. Charging speed is 3 times faster than the original 5-watt charger. There's a smart chip that provides multi-protection for your devices. There's a superior GaN technology that ensures safe and reliable charging, and it's ultra compact and portable mini size to take up less space. So let's cut this little seal. And so we'll pop this. Ooh, look at that nice little 30W at the top. So, oh, it's very compact. This is only a little bigger than the charger that comes with most, well, I guess the charger that used to come with iPhones. But it looks like you got a little light there for when you're plugged in and charging, which is pretty nice. Little Syncwire branding there, USB-C port, of course. And I'll say, this thing weighs a lot more than those little 5-watt chargers. Like, this really has a little bit of weight to it. Not heavy, but it just, you can tell there's something in there. And we got some guides, and well, that's it for the box. So user's manual and warranty policy. Let's see if the user's manual mentions anything. No, just don't use if it's damaged, etc. So one little caveat I'll add here is some USB-C cables cannot support 30-watt charging. I believe the actual cable that comes with the iPhones and the iPads and the phones will support it, but if you're using a different cable that maybe you bought at a gas station, that would most likely not support 30-watt charging. You'd want to use your original USB-C cable that came with your phone or tablet, plug that into here, plug this into your wall, and then you're going to have 30-watt fast charging. Also, of course, your device has to support 30-watt fast charging. But either way, you should be able to plug this up and then get a much faster charging speed than you would with a normal charger. So that'll do it for this video. Again, special thanks to Syncwire. See you in the next one. Deuces.